Hey there, this is how to download a standalone version of the Burp Suite Community Edition. Make sure you go to this URL. Once the page loads, this is what it will look like. Scrolling down, you can see the Burp Suite Professional and Burp Suite Community, as well as the charge for Burp Suite Professional, which is over $400. Click on Go Straight to Downloads. Ensure that the first drop-down menu has got Burp Suite Community Edition selected, and the second drop-down is your operating system. In my case, it's Mac OS. Proceed to click the orange download button. Wait for the download to complete. Click Open on the download once completed. Click and drag Burp Suite into Applications. Click Open. Wait for Burp Suite to load. Just select all the default settings that Burp Suite Community offers and then click Start Burp. Once the dashboard loads, find the Proxy tab along the top, select this, and the blue Intercept is on button. Switch this off by clicking on it. In Burp Part 2, you will see why this needs to be switched off. See you there.